Why don't you let me fix you some of this new mococo drink? All natural cocoa beans from the upper slopes of Mountain Nicaragua, no artificial sweeteners.
What the hell are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
I've tasted other cocos.
What the hell does this have to do with anything? Tell me what's happening!
Roman! Meryl! You are scaring me!
You're scaring me, Meryl. What are you gonna do? Dice me? Slice me or peel me? There's so many choices!
No! Do something!
Good morning!
Morning. Good morning.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.